Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a very strong umbrella base or umbrella stand. The only two things I had to buy that was extra that I didn't have around the household was that white piece you see in the middle of the pot, which is an umbrella anchor. I actually bought that online. If you want to check out where I got mine from, just check out the links down in the description below. The next thing that I bought was some caulking that I used for the underside of that anchor to create a seal on the bottom of the pot. Correction, there's actually three things that I bought. So I bought the umbrella anchor, the white caulking that I put underneath the pot, and then I also bought some concrete mix from Home Depot, which was an 80-pound bag. And all you have to do is just mix it with water and then let it set and cure, and it'll get hard and it actually holds the umbrella anchor in place. But I used the masking tape to kind of hold everything in place, and then I also use a level to check all different angles around the pole and around the pot as well to make sure everything is level. So probably the most expensive item in this project would be the plant pot, but I got lucky and I found this one in my backyard in my garden. I can tell you firsthand that this umbrella stand or umbrella base works really well in high winds, and it's about 60 pounds of weight for the pot itself and about 80 pounds for the concrete that I poured into the pot, so I have a total weight of about 140 pounds. Because of the umbrella anchor, you can accommodate small umbrellas or even large umbrellas. A few tips that I have for you today to help you with this project is to make sure that whenever you have your pot on the surface, make sure it's level so that when you pour the concrete will also be level within the pot. And then use a level and check accordingly across different planes to make sure everything is level. It might even be a good idea to drill a hole into the anchor of the umbrella holder so that water can trickle down into there and doesn't get stuck inside. And you can also drill little holes on the side of low-lying areas within the pot to help with drainage. In regards to portability, to be able to move this thing to and from the location you're going to be using it the most, you have three main options. You can choose to build this thing exactly in the location you want to use it at. Number two, you can turn it on its side and you can just wheel it around if it's a pot and it's circular. And the third option, which I highly recommend, is to buy a really nice plant caddy like this one right here on the screen. If you want to check this one out, I highly recommend this one. It can hold up to 500 pounds and has some really nice high quality steel wheels on the bottom, so you can wheel around your plant stand or umbrella stand anywhere you'd like. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you to find out how to make a really simple, easy, strong umbrella stand or umbrella base. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.